Hey friends, it's that rainy season again, so I'm going to be testing out this lightweight raincoat here. It's got an attached hood, electrically welded seams, multi-purpose, full cut, so it comes a little past down the knees there. Let's go test it out. It's actually kind of raining outside pretty good, so we'll see how it works. Okay, so it has these little elastic things around the wrist too, so that makes sure that the water doesn't just go up there if it's windy that's blowing in there. It has these nice little buttons on the front. These just snap together. So super lightweight, and even though I'm wearing like a sweatshirt, this can just go on over that, so it's pretty good size as well. The arms are definitely thick enough here. So let's go out. So I even got little drawstrings here for the hood. You can make that, cinch that up, and I like how the hood kind of comes over the top a little bit too. So it's got some good, pretty good sized. All right, so let's go out in the rain, shall we? Okay, friends. Well, here we are out in the rain. It's not raining like super hard, but it's decently, a little bit more than a sprinkle right now. Pretty big raindrops coming down. This thing provides some good protection. All this just bouncing off me. About the only thing that's gonna get wet is just gonna run down onto the back of your pant legs or whatever. And so a lot of times if you have something like this raincoat, kind of like a trench coat or whatever, then you can have those things on rain pants also if you're going out in the rain too long. If you're not, you just want to throw this on or whatever, going out in the rain, you don't want to get your suit wet or whatever. It's got quite a bit of room here to move around, so it doesn't get wet. This buttons up nicely. Has a little drawstring, so if it's windy out, you can kind of really pull those down so this doesn't blow off. But even if it doesn't look like it's gonna, it might blow a little bit, so you just gotta be, got to be a little bit careful. You can just tighten those down and tie that, and this buttons up right up to the top here. So yeah, definitely a nice little raincoat here. It's super lightweight too, and now the water's really sticking to it. I like the elastic around the cuffs here too, so if it does rain, if it's getting on your hands or whatever, you can just kind of tuck your hands in there. It forms like a little cocoon there. So as you can see, the water's just bouncing off, and I'll go take it off and show you as we're staying nice and dry in here. Okay friends, so was out in the rain there, and now we can just take this off. Just pops off. Pretty strong little buttons here actually. The hood there. And as you can see, I am completely dry. Didn't get wet at all. And you can see, I mean, it has a little bit of water on here. But it runs off pretty easily. So if you were just to hang this up in your shower or something, all that water is going to be gone, dries off, and it folds up. It's pretty thin material, but seems fairly durable. So you can just fold that up into a little tiny package and store it away. Probably just even put it in your pocket or something, or a little backpack thing. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was useful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.